This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News for Monday, May 7th. I'm Anani Rugoy. Maury teams continue to make an impact on the Eastern District's sports scene. In baseball, the Commodores defeated Wilson 18-2. Ben Capehart picked up his fourth win, and Andrew Califano hit a grand slam to lead the Commodores. The softball team also picked up a 13-1 win over the Presidents. Catherine Nashhold struck out 11 batters, and Jalea Jordan went 3 for 3 batting. The boys and girls tennis teams remained unbeaten with impressive wins over Hickory. Finally, the JV baseball team picked up a big win against Wilson. In today's sports action, the boys and girls tennis teams play Granby. The girls play at home while the boys travel to Granby. Matches begin at 4 p.m. Tonight, the boys soccer team travels to First Colonial for a game with the Patriots. The game begins at 7 p.m. Tomorrow, the baseball and softball teams host Lake Taylor. Both games begin at 4 p.m. Meanwhile, the JV baseball team will battle the Titans at Lake Taylor. That game also begins at 4. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Finally, if you didn't see Shrek the Musical this weekend, you missed a real treat. Congratulations to the Drama Club for producing a wonderful show. That's your Commodore News Update. I'm Anani Rugoy. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.